Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and overview of this MSI graphics card. This is the new GeForce RTX line. It's an RTX 2060, not the super version and not the gaming version. It's sort of the budget line RTX 2060 from MSI, and this is actually the cheapest card around at the time I've purchased this. It cost me £299.97, I think. It was purchased from box.co.uk and it came with free next day delivery. I wasn't too impressed with the packaging though, so let me just quickly show you that. This is the box that it came in. Now you can see all the sides are quite deformed and battered. So yeah, all that was in it for packaging was this little piece of paper here, shoved on the top of it, and the card was just sat in the bottom. But luckily it doesn't seem to have damaged the internal box here, so I think they should really add a bit of extra packaging in the box, but that's my only real criticism thus far from this company. Anyway, to the actual card. So this is the OC edition. It's the Ventus XS. It's a dual fan design and it's about the cheapest RTX 2060 that you can buy at the moment. So on the top of the box, we've just got the same old stuff again, MSI logo with the Gaming Dragon logo. On the back, it just says strong backbone. So basically this has got a back plate, which you can see here. We'll look at that in a moment. It's got the two fan design, and it's basically neutrally coloured is how they market this one. So it's just sort of silver or grey and black. These little green accents are on the fans as well. So we've got nVidia highlights and game ready drivers and all that jazz, same as any other card. It's 6GB of GDDR6, it's 192-bit memory bus, the display ports and a HDMI connection on it. Anyway, that's all the back of the box. If you want to pause and read that, feel free to. Here's the bottom of the box. Not a lot on there. The sides, we've got the same on it again. So let's get this card out. We'll slide it out of the packaging. So here's the box within a box. It's just a plain cardboard box really. There's this foam top on it. We take that off. We've got a little MSI sort of cardboard envelope thing. This is. And in here there's just one piece of paper here. So there's the quick user's guide and the little registration QR code. That's all that's in this little envelope here. So I'm just going to put that back in. And we've got here, thank you for choosing an MSI product. This product was made with great passion and we hope you could enjoy it. Please register your products at register.msi.com. With the product registration you can be served faster and participate in the descriptions on the form, blah blah blah. Here's the actual card itself, which is quite well packed in a generous amount of outer sponge. There's nothing else under this sponge, so you literally just get the card. You don't get the accessories like you would with the more expensive gaming series of their cards. Let's peel this little bit of tape off. And here's the card itself. So there's that MSI backplane. I'm undecided if that's plastic or metal. I think it may be plastic. It feels plasticky. So in there you can see a bit of the heatsink. There's the heatsink itself there with this nice big heat pipe coming off. We've got an 8-pin PCI Express power connector there. This plug will be for the fans, right there. We've got MSI GeForce RTX printed on the side there. I don't think that lights up, I think it's just printed looking at it. Because this is a standard version of the card, you don't get the RGB lighting and all the fancy bells and whistles. But it's basically the same GPU regardless. For me, I didn't fancy spending the extra £60 to get some lighting and a slightly different design card with RGB on it. That doesn't matter to me. So here are the two Torx fans, as they sell them as. Plenty of blades on them. At the bottom here we can see another heat pipe. There may actually be one single heat pipe that goes straight through the middle, comes back out and coils around over here, looking at the actual heatsink itself. It's got a generously sized heatsink on it. At the back here we've got plenty of ventilation holes in the spare slot. This is all the I/O ports, so we've got the little MSI logo printed in. We've got a display port, a HDMI and two more display ports. At the back end we've just got ventilation in this plastic shroud, which is also part of the back plane of the card there, so it is all plastic. We've got this little protective cover over the PCI Express slot. And that's pretty much that. And yeah, I'm going to drop this in my computer now and try it out. This is going to replace a MSI Gaming GTX 980. So it's a bit of a performance increase. I'm going to be playing games in 4K on it, which is a very capable little card for the price point. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. Any questions, put them in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them for you. And if you want to see some benchmarks of this card in my system, which is, well, going to be this card, plus a Core i7 3930K, which is 6 cores and 12 threads. It's about on par with a i7 7700K. I'm going to put benchmarks to that on my gaming channel. I'll also link that down in the description below, so you can find them on there.